Good morning, students. So, students, in a classroom, okay, each students are different from one another, right? In what are the ways you are different from? Can you think? So, in a classroom, the students are different. In what are the ways? They are having a different faces. Each students, they are having a different faces and different hairstyles, and you are having a different behaviors, different hobbies, and different views. Is it? Similarly, India is a land of different languages, religious, food, cultures, and dresses. Okay, India is a country, is it? So in India, we are having a different languages and a different religious and a different food items we eat. Okay, and a different dresses we wear. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, India is a land of the different things, is it? So we belong to India, is it? So India is our country. So today we are going to see a poem. The title of the poem is My Little India. Okay, My Little India. So it is an interesting poem about an India. Okay, so this poem is about a classroom. So in a classroom there are students. The students are speaking different languages. Let us see what are the languages they are speaking, like that we are going to see in this poem. Okay, let us read about languages of our country. Okay, now in this poem we are going to read the languages of our country. Now this is a poem for you students. Okay, so first I will read out the poem. My class is a little India with friends from everywhere. They speak in different languages that sounds funny to my ears. So many languages from places far and near. Hindi, Telugu and Marathi, yet the same smile they share. They sing in different languages. They sing a beautiful songs in Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam, but together they dance along. My class is a little India with friends from everywhere. When I speak in my language, it sounds funny to their ears. Okay, it sounds funny to their ears. Okay, so this poem is about a classroom. In a classroom, the students are speaking different languages. Okay, see the first one. My class is a little India with friends from everywhere. They speak in different languages that sound funny to my ears. Okay, so my classroom. Okay, the poet. Okay, here the poet name is not mentioned here. Okay, here the poet is the speaker of the poem, but his name is not mentioned here. Simply I am saying it as the poet. Okay, so in a poet, okay, the classroom is a little India. Okay, the poet is saying that my classroom is a little India with friends from everywhere. Okay, so in a classroom you are having a lot of friends, right? You too, you are having a friends, is it? So in a poet classroom they are having a lot of friends. The friends are from everywhere. Everywhere means they are from a different states. Okay, the friends are from the different states. So they speak in different languages. Each state they has its own languages, is it? So the friends are from everywhere. No, so they are speaking a different languages. That sounds funny to my ears. Okay, they are speaking the language. No, that sounds they are funny to my ears. Funny means making you laugh. Okay, funny means making you laugh. That is known as the funny. Okay, if they are speaking in their languages means it make me to laugh. Okay, so many languages. Okay, there are so many languages from places far and near. Okay, there are so many languages in a country. Okay, from different places. It is a far and near. Okay, far na romba doorama irukku, near na pakkathula. Okay, Hindi, Telugu and Marathi. Yet the same smile they share. They sing in different languages. They sing beautiful songs in Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam, but together they dance along. Okay? So, there are so many languages. What are they? Hindi, Telugu and Marathi. Okay? So, these are the languages they are given for you. Okay? What are the languages? That is Hindi, Telugu, Marathi. So these are the different languages, but they share the same smile. But when they smile, they look very same. Okay, at the same smile they share. Everybody they smiles in a same way only, even though they are having a different languages to speak, but they share the same smile. Okay, smile means siripu. They sing a beautiful songs. Okay, the students are singing a beautiful song. They sing in a different languages. They sing a song. They are singing in a different languages. That is Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam. But together they dance along. Okay, they are singing in a different languages, but they are dance along. But together they dance along. Okay, here also there are some more languages are given. What are they? That is Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam. Okay, so they are singing a beautiful songs. They sing in a different languages. Okay, but together they dance along. But when they are to dance, they together. Okay, they together dance along. Okay, so in the poem, what are the languages they are given? Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam. Okay, so these are the languages of a country. So my class is a little India with friends from everywhere. Okay, when I speak in my language, it sounds funny to their ears. Okay, the first answer is same repeated here also, but the only difference is when I speak in my languages, it sounds funny to my ears. When the poet speaks in his languages, it sounds funny to their ears. Okay, when the poet speaks to his languages, for the others, it will be so funny to hear. Okay, that's what they are saying here. Okay, so students, have you clear with the poem? Here, the title of the poem is My Little India. Okay, so here the classroom, my classroom, the poet is telling that my classroom is a little India with friends from a different states. Okay, so each states they has its own languages. No, so they are speaking in a different languages. That sounds funny to my ears. Funny means what? Making you laugh. Okay, by hearing that it sounds very funny to my ears. It makes me to laugh. Okay, there are so many languages from a different places. Okay, there are so many languages from different places, that is far and near. Okay, so what are the languages they come across? That is Hindi, Telugu and Marathi. Okay, but they share the same smile, but when they smile, they look very similar. Okay, all the smiles are look the very same. Okay, they sing a beautiful song. Okay, they are singing in a different languages. The song is sung in a different languages, that is Tamil, Malayalam and Punjabi. Okay, but together they dance along. Okay, if there is a song means there is a dance also, but together they dance along. Okay, when the speaker speaks in his languages, it sounds funny to the other ears. Okay, so this is a poem. Students, have you clear with the poem? So in the poem, My Little India, the poet says that his or her. Okay, the poet is not referred here, no. So they are telling it as his or her. Okay, the poet may be a boy or a girl. Okay, but here they are not given for it. So only they are telling it as his or her. The poet says that his or her classroom is a little India. Okay, the poet is telling that his classroom is a little India because the children in the class speaks a different languages. Because why they are saying it is a little India? Because the students are speaking a different languages. So only they are telling, the poet is telling that my classroom is a little India. Okay, students, have you clear with the poem? So this is the end of the poem. Okay, now we shall see the set going. Okay, now take page number 112. So in that, let us find the answers from the poem. First one, choose. My class is a dash India. My class is a little India. It is little India. Set going. First one, A. My class is a little India. The next one, B. Different languages sound dash to my ears. That is funny to my ears. What do you mean by funny? Funny means making you laugh. Okay, different languages sound funny to my ears. Funny. Then C. The friends in my class share the same dash. Okay, what do they share? Okay, my friends in my class share the same. What did they share? The same smile. Is it? So in the poem it has written, no? See here. So this line, it, the same smile they share. Okay, they are sharing the same smile. Then D. The friends in my class dash in different languages. Okay, my friends in my class dash in different languages. What's the option given? Sing, dance, fight, shout. What's the right answer? My friends in my class sings in different languages. Okay, now see this line, they sing in different languages. So this is a line, they sing in different languages. My friend in my class sing in different languages. Okay, okay, the students are singing a beautiful song. That song is sung in a different languages. Okay, so have you all marked the answers in your book? The next one is you have to find out the rhyming words from the poem. Okay, list the words from the poem that rhyme with these words. So here they are given some words for you. So to the words you have to find out the rhyming word from the poem My Little India. Okay. Second question, second one, that is we have to find out the rhyming word. Care. Then dear, then wrong. Okay, these are the words given. You have to find out the rhyming words, okay, from the poem My Little India. Okay, so what do you mean by rhyming words? Words that are having a similar sound are known as the rhyming words. Okay, so here they are given the word care. Okay, can you tell me the rhyming word for this from the poem? Search the rhyming words in the poem. That is care everywhere. Okay, care everywhere. And also one more rhyming word also is there. Can you tell me what is that? Share. Care, share. Okay, everywhere and share. So these are the words that is given in your poem, that is Little India. Okay, so these are the words that are rhyming with the care. Care, everywhere, share. So you can write any one. Okay. Then B1, dear. So dear, so this is a rhyming. So to this word, what is the rhyming word from the poem? Can you tell me? That is dear ear. Okay, dear ear. That sounds funny to my ear. Dear ear. The next one, wrong. What's the rhyming word for this from the poem? Wrong, song. Okay, song. So the words such as everywhere, share, ear, song. So these are the words from the poem. That is My Little India. Okay, here we are just given the words. Okay. So to the words, we have to write the rhyming word. So we have written care, everywhere, share, dear, ear, wrong, song. Okay, so these are the rhyming words. And next one, vocabulary junction. Okay, vocabulary junction. Read the poem again. Okay, you have to read the poem again and tick the languages mentioned in it. So in a poem there is a languages, no? So you have to tick the languages. Tick the languages mentioned in it. Circle the languages you have heard or read about. Okay. So what are the languages we come across in the poem? Can you tell me? That is the languages in a poem. The languages. What are the languages in our country? So these are the languages they are mentioning in the poem My Little India. Okay, the languages are Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Malayalam. Okay, so these are the languages that has been given in your book. Okay, now we have to tick. Okay, so here there is a box, no? So in the box you have to tick these languages. Okay. Okay, you have to find out and you have to tick it in the box. Okay. So what are the languages it's given in your book? We have to tick that. So these are the languages is given in your book. So tick to these words. Okay, Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Malayalam. To these languages in the box you have to put a tick mark. Okay. And next one, and you have to circle the languages you have heard or read about. Okay, so if you know any languages means, okay, that you are here or you have already read before means you have to circle the languages. Okay, will you do this? So this is a homework for you. Okay, you have to tick the languages that is mentioned in a poem and also you have to circle the languages. What are the languages you heard or what are the languages you read before? Like that languages you have to circle. Okay. So students, have you clear with the poem? So what did we see today? We have seen the poem, that is My Little India. This poem is about India. Okay, in the quiet classroom. Okay, the students are speaking different languages. What are the languages? That is Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Malayalam. Okay. The poet says that his classroom is a little India because the children in class speaks in different languages. Okay. So I hope you all clear with the poem. So I have given the homework note. So you have to do that homework and send it to me. Thank you, students.